Pekele o. Passengers wey dey talk say they go worry before they go see, they don't go see themselves inside Ibadan. The way people dey hustle nowadays, I no dey even understand. People go park, no be say sole motor, no be all this one wey be say go stand for junction enter. They go park inside Ojota. Go enter motor wey they call am Journey Mercy Transport. They no know say this one na Journey of No Return Transport, and they go enter. Enter this thing finish. The man come dey en route, they go another road. Now there God, in fact, they say some people inside the motor, just two people wey be say God dey their heart. It means say the remaining people una no get God. Now devil things na they run inside that place. The two people wey God touch their heart, na them. Say that they even, no be say they even sleep, they open eye, but they no even still dey conscious like that. Now there the man come reason, the road where they pass, it resemble Ibadan. No be where they go be this. Now there, wahala come boss. My people, I beg, make na follow me watch.
I serve God, when I go make this the day I wake up, therefore don't go use them do ritual. God of heaven. Make I go see drive.
You carry a passenger say you will collect something or you don't get them.
In fact, they stop. That's what they say.
Now for here you get them.
Not yet. I don't remember that after they say.
Where the fucking side? Waiting you can't do for here.
One trailer.
So what you like that, right?
Now the second one be this. Where God make it there awake. Therefore don't use all of them do ritual this morning. Now worry that they go, now Ibadan they come. See me see wahala. Now be worried picking though.
This one na pure kidnapping, no. You see those of now, we say na go enter motor, small breeze, and I don't doze off. I hope say na dey learn. Person sit down inside motor, consciously everybody sleep. Only two people. Now I come dey inside motor, we say they come even the reasons. Where did they go? Now they can't stop this man. They ask this man, say get the man. They go say immediately. The man just carry reverse. Come go pick one person. Come they talk. And I said they even listen. See the man mouth as they talk. Self, you go know say na lie Muhammad brother. They talk the thing, you go know say this one na pure lie. Say I ain't buy tire for Ibadan. You want come go pay the tire person. Come carry them go back to Warri. This kind lie no shock on. How person go buy tire? How many? I don't even know how many months where you don't buy the tire. You pay half. You say the person may pay 20,000. You can't pay some. So now when one contract we can't talk say say you never remember tell your passenger say you won't carry them go there. First go pay money. Before you go carry people, come back. Now so people mumu it. Abi you think say na fool now they follow the talk to. They come even they ask you say, oh girl, where they carry us go? See as the one man for the motor, he try struggle with the driver, so he stop the car. They come there and say, where they carry them? It's a village. It's a they are in Papa village because I don't know where this man they carry them go. Say immediately, you know even reach 3 minutes. Police don't run come outside. They no call police. How police they come outside? Say like say this thing said police they involved. Say now there they come police can say make they give them car keys. Now there everybody say boss say no, make they go call Amotekun. Now Amotekun now be the hero of the deal. Because if say they enter this follow them this police, I sure say something else will not happen. Because I sure say this whole thing plus the police now plan work. People who even dey inside the motor, the woman they talk say she dey suspect say he get one kind cloth where they under the motor. So then the reason I say because of dirty. Maybe the man no want making car dirty. Now we can put this kind of thing. But it be like saying that thing I make people sleep. See person will be driver. This one now, person suppose even blame them. Say okay, maybe they go enter them for road. This one now inside park, you enter park safe, you know safe. I beg make everybody cuckoo go buy motor because now the only way out now you be this. You know they safe again inside this whole thing. This man they talk like saying mumu people. In fact, now really mumu man. Because if you even reason what yourself they talk, in fact they don't even give this man slap. That man where they do interview, where they slap people, now you supposed to call interview this man. Follow and see that if you ask and say, how this motor tell reach if the man talk rubbish, he give him twice, his brain go reset. He go remember since they carry then these people reach here. Because this one I sure say, this man be one go use then these people for ritual. They just get lucky say somebody wake up. Una say why na suppose they get God for body? Because if no be God, I sure say dem this ones. Therefore don't be away story. Nobody go even hear their matter again. Say I ain't they go for organize. Now the for organizer matter sef na they vex me. For organizer, for inside Ibadan, all the way on a pass all the old road, one for organizer no dey road. Now exactly that one. Why you no do am on your own? Some people they can't lie where they lie. But I hope say this kind man like this, they go give him the right judgment. Because as in face even strong like fufu like I sure say this man na pure criminal. They don't do and so take in face self don't they show self say him go fit do this kind thing. I hope say him go get the right law where in deserve. My people, I hear this one. I want make I bring a rich na side, make na service na here. Hear wetin dey happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything wey na feel, make na don't forget to write am for the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.